Hi, good morning. Hi there. Hi, it's April Braswell, and I am just hopping on a quick live here. I'm actually have to leave in about 10 minutes to head out to go donate. Good morning, welcome to go donate platelets this morning, but I did want to pop on a quick Facebook Live and let you know because it is the last day of the doTERRA Amazing BOGO Week. Pardon, my fingers right over the microphone. Maybe they didn't hear too well. Pardon. So I'm going to need to just keep this quick because I have to leave to go donate platelets. Hi, good morning. So it's the last day of the doTERRA BOGO Week. It's an amazing finale. We have Rose is the oil you buy, and when you do, Rose is amazing on its own. I just got some in the Precious Florals, which is amazing Mother's Day gift. I'm going to post something for that over the weekend for all of you guys. Hi, all of you men, to make you heroes, for you to buy that for your wife, your mom, and make you a hero. Today, when you buy the Rose, you don't get just one, you get two oils. One of those oils is lavender. Lavender, I always joke about this. I like to give it a hashtag that it is, lavender kind of has a bad rap because of all of the cheap synthetic and garbage versions that are out there. All of those air fresheners that are waxy, all of the room sprays, all of those things are all synthetic. Or I've even had potpourris, and they were pretty, but the dried lavender is like, it doesn't smell like anything. The doTERRA lavender, it came in a kit, so that's why I had it. I probably wouldn't have bought it on my own originally. Once I smelled it, it's amazing, because it's doTERRA's quality standard of purity and potency, certified pure, therapeutic grade. I like to use it every single day. I put it on my wrists, I put it over my heart, I use it during meditation time with my third eye and my crown chakra. So I like to use it all the time. It is one where, particularly right now during the quarantine time, everyone's stressed. Everyone's having some challenges with things, if you're like a little bit that way. The lavender oil is so amazing for, you can use it topically for things like a first aid ointment, like whether if you get like a burn. I've had a friend where she had a really deep, not just a little bit, like a really deep and painful paper cut kind of a wound. She put it on that and noticed immediately that it felt better without being, garbage on her skin. It made a difference. I've had other people that were in the process of using it on Jordan on like a little skin issue he has, and where it is soothing that, and it seems to be helping to clear it because it's stress related. Surprise, it's stress related. So anything that you've got going on where I'm stressed, be using the lavender oil. You want to put it on your hand. Breathe it in, as well as you can use it on your skin topically. You can theoretically take it internally because of the supplemental information. I think I've seen it where it's been used in some cooking recipes where they've made some beautiful cupcakes and used the lavender in the icing. I haven't tried that. So I like to use it topically and aromatically to enjoy it. So I hope you take advantage of today's BOGO. If you want help with that, chime in the comments. I'm going to be out for the next few hours, and I can help you get that for yourself if you aren't working with anyone yet. If you are working with someone with doTERRA, go get your own. You do want to get your own account. I've heard of folks where they have a girlfriend buy things for them periodically, or like to get it for them every month. Literally, they ask like, add it onto your order. They're getting the points. When you get your own account in doTERRA, you get free stuff over time. Or basically, you get free stuff. There's free stuff every month, and you accrue points and get free stuff later. That's awesome. It's an amazing deal today. Rose, beautiful, and lavender. Have an amazing day. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining.